Myanmar military Junta-gi coup Matung-Dagi region asida Opium Thabagi Chaang Hengatlakli amadi narcotics ki potlamsing puthok pusin tawbada Manipur asi transit point ama oiri masina maram oiraga state asigi khunai da chauna akaiba pirakli haina Manohar Parikar Institute of Defense and Analysis ki research fellow Dr. Prakash Das na phongdokre. Ngasi IGAR South na sinduna geopolitical development in Myanmar and its impact on Indo-Myanmar border with special focus on Manipur Haiba Hiram da Pangtokhiba Assam Rifles Manipur University guest lecture gi thoramda lecture piraduna wafam asi mahakna phongdokhibane. Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor gi court hold the Pangtokhiba thoramaduda Assam Rifles ki Director General Lieutenant Vikas Lakhira IGAR South ki makok thongba official senior journalist amadi Manipur University gi mahairoi kayana sarukya ke. Thoramaduga mari lainana Dr. Prakash Das na makha taraduna kumja English singaniga kunma thoida Myanmar da junta na coup tawkhraba matungda opium thaba area gi chang chada taranipan hengat ke data gi matung inna ekar lakh amaga lising tarataruk ki chang da opium farming gi area hengat lakhe amadi English singaniga kulhumdoi fawbada opium gi pothok chada kunthra taruk hengat ke. Drug trafficking khaknatana Myanmar da security establishment gi leidiba awatpa asina lo na yadaba khusukhulai yonthok yonsin gi changsu hengatlakhe. Myanmar gi military coup matung da junta military da support tawba Kanglup amadi rebel Kanglup da support tawba insurgent group kaya thoglakpana makhoi gi interesting asi Indo-Myanmar border oiriba Manipur da akaiba pirakpani matang asida India na thokliba irang asida geopolitics amadi foreign politics ke wafam tongana thamduna non-state actors singbu recognize tawridabani haina phongdokhe.
People who migrated, maybe those people was expertise in farming, opium cultivation. So it also changed the scenario of this aspect, cultivating opium. Another aspect has been the arms smuggling, and in parallel with the drug trade, there has been a significant increase in arms smuggling. The security vacuum in Myanmar's western state has led to an overflooding of weapons from black market in Southeast Asia. These illicit weapons not only fuel the civil war in Myanmar, but are also used to arm various insurgent and ethnic groups in India's northeast, creating a vicious cycle of violence and instability. And it fueled, it ignited or increased the problem because they also have interest across the border, and those alignment is resulting here that the clash is happening.